Here I have OPPO A94 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, then tap open camera, then allow, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, firstly you have to swipe from shopping, homework, search to search. Okay, so let's tap a search button, and what's it? And as you can see, it found this page, which is being encoded to this QR code, so you can open website, you can copy link or just share it with someone. Let's see what's being here. Wow, what an interesting page. You should go check it out for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.